The 5-day time frame on Bitcoin is also flipping bullish again. We are seeing a bullish crossover on the 5-day MACD. And if we look at the history, this was the exact moment Bitcoin bottomed out and started its next leg towards the upside. So guess what? What is happening right now towards the Bitcoin price? The total market cap is in a really interesting point in the market. We have been getting supported by this upwards trend line, and right now it seems that the bottom is here to stay for the total market cap. And every single time we got supported, we looked at the top side of this channel, and that is approximately $4.5 trillion. And of course, this is a massive signal for Bitcoin. We have been perfectly predicted the market here live, and this is my next move for Bitcoin. We will dive into that and way more in today's video, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and of course subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video, because we have been crushing the market, and we will dive into that later into this video. Because first of all, we're gonna look at the higher time frame. After the 3-day, the 4-day, and the 5-day right now is flipping bullish again. We have seen the 3-day and the 4-day flipping bullish on the MACD earlier this year. But we have seen a really clear crossover on Bitcoin on the 5-day time frame right now. And if you look at the history, it is really interesting to see, because of course we are seeing a bullish crossover, but history tells us exactly what is tend to happen on Bitcoin. That is why it is so important to look at the history of Bitcoin. And this is really interesting because in October 2023 we saw that 5-day bullish MACD crossover, and we saw Bitcoin exactly bottomed out and started its next leg towards the upside. And this wasn't a small move for Bitcoin, because we pumped approximately 175% after. Then in September 2024, we have seen this move once again. Bullish crossover on the MACD, and the Bitcoin price bottomed out and the next move towards the upside started. This was a move of approximately 65%. And of course, if we look at the history, we can see that this signal is not really common here. This was literally a year between, and every single time the bottom was set for Bitcoin when we saw that bullish crossover. Also in April 2025, the MACD bullish crossover towards the upside, and we pumped 31% towards the upside. So if we look at the last 3 years, we have seen this signal every single time we saw the signal the bottom was set. That was a hit rate of approximately 100%. This is massive for Bitcoin. And guess what? Right now we are seeing that same signal flashing again, almost a year after the other MACD bullish crossover. We have seen it right now on the 5-day time frame, and every single time the bottom was set and we started its move towards the upside. And that is exactly what I'm expecting next for Bitcoin, because this marked every single bottom, and I'm not fading this signal. I'm not trading against this signal, because this is a very bullish signal for Bitcoin. And I'm gonna say it right here, the Bitcoin bottom is in, and the next move is here to stay for Bitcoin, and it won't be a small move. Also, if you look at the total market cap, we can see that we are currently at a really important area of support, a really nice trend line. Every single time we tapped that, everyone said it was over for Bitcoin and for crypto. That was exactly not the case, because every single time you bought this trend line here on the lower side in this channel, you would make a lot of profit afterwards. We have seen a structure, lower side of this channel, top side of the channel, lower side of the channel, top side of the channel, lower side of the channel, top side of the channel. And that means that the total market cap is tend to pump towards the $4.5 trillion, which is massive. And this will cause for a new all-time high on the total market cap. This will cause for a new all-time high on Bitcoin. This will cause for a major money flow in all the other altcoins. This is a really bullish signal for Bitcoin and for the whole crypto market, and also for alt season. So this is really good to see for the total market cap and for Bitcoin and all the other altcoins. Then if you look at the lower time frame, we are crushing the market once again, because look at this trade setup. Look at all my daily update videos from the last 3 to 4 days. I am discussing this exact trade setup over and over again in my daily update videos. And right here we saw, and I said it on Sunday and on Saturday, if we break this red line towards the upside, gain it with a candle open and a close, that is exactly what we have been seeing. I am longing on the retest, because that is really bullish for Bitcoin. Look at what happened. And of course, I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I showed this trade open yesterday in a daily update video, and right now we hit TP of approximately $3,200. And this is not just luck, because I literally screamed this setup for all of you guys. I literally called the setup live in my daily update videos, and if you don't believe me, watch the video of Sunday back, and I'm literally talking about this exact setup, and this is exactly what we have been seeing on Bitcoin afterwards. If you missed that, please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and join my free Telegram group with the first link in the description, because this was easy money for you. I called it live, and if you subscribed on my YouTube channel, you wouldn't miss this trade. So please make sure to not make the same mistake again and just subscribe over on my YouTube channel. The only thing you need to do is trade those moves I am giving you over on Blowfin or on WeX. Just choose the best exchange out there. You can sign up through the 2 links in the description on WeX and on Blowfin. I'm giving you the setups, and I am crushing the market once again. The only thing you need to do is trade on your favorite exchange, and we will have a really good future together. Also, if we look at some on-chain insights, we can see that long-term Bitcoin distribution is slowing, and this is a massive signal, because the net outflows have rolled over from extreme levels, showing that the market is absorbing long's supply, and that is exactly what we want to see for the next major move towards the upside. Also, if you look at the history, when we peaked and when we started to rise towards the upside, Bitcoin was tend to go sideways and up afterwards. Right here, we peaked, we went down, and that was the exact bottom marked for Bitcoin. Right here, we pumped afterwards, and right here, we are slowing once again, and this could mean a very bullish signal for Bitcoin, and that means that the bottom is in, and the next major move towards the upside is here to stay for Bitcoin. Although, if you look at all those charts, we are such bullish for Bitcoin. And also, if we will see a down move in the upcoming months, in the upcoming weeks, we are literally crushing the market with longs and with shorts. I'm calling it every single day. So, ending with that, please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss something throughout the day in crypto. And of course, subscribe over on my YouTube channel, like this daily update video, and join my free Telegram community with the first link in the description. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.